Alrighty then. Welcome to another episode of Metallist Math. I'm the Metallist. And if you guys like hard rock and heavy metal, check out my other channel, THEE Metallist. I appreciate that. Alright, so this is segment number 3 on practice 2 here. We're going to practice test 2. We're going to do questions 11 through 15. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so I'm going to write with here. How about this guy? All right, so it says a stationery store sells staplers for $1.50 each. The company buys an unknown number of staplers that cost $36 in total. How many staplers did the company purchase? Okay, so this is pretty easy. So these are $1.50 a piece. So 2 of them are $3, right? And 3 times 12 is 36. Okay, so basically you've got 2 times 12, so that's going to be 24. But then what you can do, of course, is use your calculator, and you're just going to take. Clear this out from last time. So you're going to take 36 and divide it by 1.5, and there's your guy. Okay, so that one was easy peasy, right? Go and check out another one here. It says translate the phrase into a mathematical expression. So we do this piece by piece here. It says 4 less, so that means at some point we're going to subtract 4. Then 11 times the number x. So we've got x, and that says 11 times that, so they stick an 11 in front of that. So that's our guy. So if you break these down, they're not too bad, although most people don't like these very well. Okay, let's continue on. All right. What is the value of 5 raised to the 3rd power? This is not 5 times 3, okay? That's the most common thing that people do. What this is math guys being lazy. This 3 here means we're going to multiply 5 3 times in a row. Okay? So we know 5 times 5 is 25. And then times 5 again is going to be 125. Think of it as 5 quarters is $1.25. But again, you can use your calculator on that. Some calculators have an exponent button you can use, or you just multiply 5 times 5 times 5, and that'll get you where you need to go. Cool. Check out another one. So it says, are the equations x equals 3 and x plus 8 equivalent? I think we've had questions like this before. So again, this says x equals 3. Well, here's an x. So instead of calling him x, let's call him 3. So we're going to have 3 plus 8 equals 11. And you can check it on your calculator. Does 3 plus 8 equal 11? Yep, sure does. So there's our answer. Okay, so this has been a pretty quick session today. Let's do one more. Okay, it says on the moon, you would weigh only 1/6 of what you weigh on Earth. If you weigh 138 pounds on Earth, what would your weight on the moon be? Okay, so 1/6 is like if you take something and cut it up into 6 pieces. So your answer is going to be smaller than the number you started with. So these two guys are out. Okay, now think of this. If you multiply by 1/6, that is the same as dividing by 6. Those two things are the same. So in this case, we're going to do 138 divided by 6. Okay, so definitely calculator time. Break him out. Okay. So we've got 138. And divide that by 6. And our answer is 23. And we're kind of leaning that direction too, because like I say, think about it like a piece, a small pizza. You cut it into 6 pieces, it's not going to be a big chunk of the pizza, right? So this number is not going to be a big chunk of 138. So that's our guy right there. All right. Well, once again, I appreciate you guys listening. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And we will see you all next time.